Tell you when you switch it up.
Oh, rider, baby.
Yes. Flip him in there. Good dang. Man, what a monster. Good job, Xavier.
Hey guys, welcome back to One Body Fishing. Today we are vacuum sealing our fish that we caught from yesterday. You guys are probably used to the traditional Ziploc bags, which we are too, but we're trying something new. These are the gallon Ziploc bags, and you know, to insulate your fish, we always have to put water in them. It's a mess, and to keep from that freezer burn. So we're doing something a lot simpler, but it takes a little more time. So we've got our fish, and we're gonna be putting them in this Chaos or Koyos vacuum sealer, and we got these bags off of Amazon, and they're pretty good. We've already did a trial run with 3, and I like them, and I'll send you that link in the description below. So let's try one out. So both ends of the bag are open-ended, so you want to seal first. So we'll open our Koyos, put the bag in, shut the lid, make sure it clicks on both sides, hit seal only right here. And then once it's through, the light will distinguish. Okay, push the buttons on the side, open her up, nice seal. Now I usually go no more than a foot. Probably 10 inches is good for probably about 8 fillets, which is probably enough for your normal size family. So we have our bag, now we need our fish. So we've got our bag fish. So this is amberjack. What I like to do is just a quick rinse. No, actually this is gray grunt. Just a quick rinse over the fish, because you don't want them in water too long, because it starts making the meat just get distorted, and you don't want that. You want the meat to be nice and dense. So that's 5 fillets. And I try to evenly go ahead and stage them in the bag, nice and neat. Yeah, I think we got enough for that. And what I like to do, because this is a wet or dry vacuum seal, I'll grab a couple of paper towels. I want to go ahead and wipe that rim. Make sure it's pretty decent clean from that slime. It don't have to be perfect, because this really does a good job. Makes a good seal. So I'll put it on the perforated edge right there, up against those bars. I'm going to close it, click it, and then I'm going to hit vacuum and seal. That's what it was. Now you just wait for the lights to go off. All right. Unlock it. Now you have your fish. Good to go. Thanks for watching. There you go, guys. Nice and sealed. You got your load of fish ready to go.
Thank you.
See you guys.
See you.